So now we will see one demonstration with the help of 8051 MCU IDE to display some message on LCD. So here this is the program. So program started from org0000H. Now first I'll call for command write, command write. So with this instruction, program will go to a label command write. Right here, these are the instructions. These are the instructions which are used to write the command word in command register. Okay. So these are the instructions to write the command word in command register. And after that, this is the last instruction of this routine is RET. With RET, program will go back to this instruction. I'll call DATA write, data write. So here now the program will go to another subroutine where instructions are written to write the data in data register. So that subroutine is here at the org0050 data write. So you see this subroutine. This is the subroutine. So this is the subroutine to write the data which we want to display on 7 segment on LCD, right? And again, the last instruction of this subroutine is RET. With RET, program will again go back to the here as jump here at this instruction. So now the controller will execute this instruction only, right? So the command words I have written at this org0080 at this memory location of code memory. Our first command word is stored, and that command word is 38. This 38 means 16 by 2 LCD with 5 by 7 matrix. This is the first command word. The second command word is 0F. 0F indicates display on, cursor on. Then after this 83. 83 indicates that the display will be on first row at third column. So display will start from first row, third column. And okay, this 00 is only having the significance to just in our main program, which indicates that our command words are over. Now this is the data stream, the stream which we want to display. So it is GMRIT, right? In continuation. After this there is one space, and after this RAJAM, Rajan. So this I want to display. So again these streams we have loaded at 00A0 of our code memory. And this is the delay program which is required for the settle down of some signal. So a small delay I have written. Now in this program I have used port to pin number 0. This pin we will connect to RS pin of our 7 segment display of our LCD display, means register select. Then port to pin number 1 we have to connect to read and write pin of 7 segment of our LCD display. And pin number 2, port to pin number 2 we will connect to enable input of LCD display, right? So program already we discussed during our lecture. So this program will display GMRIT space Raja in the first line, and the display will start from the third column. So now to how to display this, here you just go to there is one option virtual hardware. When we click that virtual hardware, Then you come to LCD display, this option, and here you select 2 by 16. Yes. Now you just, or 1 minute, I will bring this. Okay, it is in focus now. Okay. So this is the display, right? Here you see, this is the first row and this is the second row. And see the column, first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 columns are there. So now what we will do here, or you do one thing, you can focus in this block only. Huh? This RS, in this only this much block is required, only this. Only this. Okay. So now you see, this is RS, right? Register select pin of 7-segment display. This we have to connect to port 2 pin number 0. So for that what you do, here there is port is written, from here you select port 2, right? And from this is bit, from here you select pin number 0. Then this is read/write bar. This we will connect to port 2, select here port 2, and from here you select the pin number. Pin number is 1. Then this is E, means enable pin. Again this we will connect to port 2 and pin number is 2, right? Like this we have connected these 3 pins to our port pins. Now our data pins, right? D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. These we have to connect to port 3, okay? Because see, in our program we have written here, you just see this move P3, A. So due to this instruction, content of A in which the command word or data word will be there, that will be sent to port 3. And port 3 we have connected to these pins, D7 to D0. So here we will connect. So D7, select now port 3, D4, port 3, D4 is port 3, D3 is port 3, D2 is port 3, and D1 port 3, and D0 port 3. Okay, and pin number I will select from here. Pin number 0, pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, and pin number 7. Okay. Now sometimes you will find that this here, you find on is written, and sometimes you find it is off, right? So if it is off, then you turn on by clicking this. Okay, you turn on by clicking this. Now we will run our program. Then you find 1, 2, 3. From here, this is the third column of first row. From here you will find G, M, R. After this space, and after this I, T, then space R, A, J, A, M. Like this it will be displayed. So I will run my program now. See, here it will be displayed. G is M, R, here I, T, and space, R, A, J, A, N. So 83 means fourth column actually. It starts from 80. 80 means this is first column, then second, then third, then fourth. 83 is fourth. So in this way it is displayed. Now if we want to display something in second row, for example, I want to display GMRIT, Rajam welcomes you. Welcomes you will come in second row. So what we have to do, we have to change our program, and the sequence will be like this. First command word for displaying in first row. So it is same. After this we will load the data whatever we have to display, that is GMRIT, Raja. Then next step will be command word to display the things in second row. So in that what will happen, here we have selected 83 and there we have to select that second row will start from C0, right? C0 means okay, so second row will start from C. C0 means second row, first column. Then C1 means second row, this second column in this way. Right? So for this we have to change the program. So I will just do one thing. I will reset this, and already program, I have already written the program. So I will take that program. Change the program. Okay, I have changed the program. So in this program, again you just focus this screen, this only, this. Okay. So now you see in this program, first alcohol is command word 1. So this is the command word to display in first line. Okay. Then alcohol data word 1. So this is for displaying the things whatever we want to display in first line. After this alcohol command word 2. So this will be used, this here command word which are required for line second. That has to be written in command register. Then alcohol data word 2. So here the things which we want to display in second row, that has to be written with the help of these code, which is written at data word 2 label. So here command word 1. So this is exactly same program whatever we have used previously. Then you just see this is data word 1, exactly same program to load, to write the data word in data register to display in first line. Then this is command word 2, right? This is command word 2. So these instructions are used to write the command word to display in second line. After this data word 2. So this is the code to write the data in data register which are to be displayed in second line. And see the command word 1. So it is same 38 0F 83. Right, 83 means first row, fourth column. Then in the first, this is data word, GMRIT space RAJAM. This will be displayed in first line. And command word second, you see 38, 0F, and here this C2, right? 0 C2. C2 indicates second row and third column, right? And in this, whatever we have to display, this is data word. WELCOMES, welcomes space U. So this is the program. So now I will run this program. It is coming same, na? Now program is running. You see how it is going. This G M R I T space R A J A M then W E L C O M E then space S space welcomes YOU welcomes you, right? So see the second line, it starts from third column of second row, right? In this way. Now if we want that display should be from the first column, right? I want to display GMRIT from this place, welcomes also from this place. So simply we can change the program, right? So what I will do, I will reset this, and I will change the command word. I will change the command word. Then you can find the difference. So in place of 83, I will write 80. Here I will write 80. And in place of C2, I will write C0. Right? That's all. And say compile. Okay. Again I will run. Now see, from the starting it is coming. Now second line also coming from the first columns. So in this way we can you interface the LCD with your microcontroller, and in this way we can write our programs.